behind virtual assistants. This week, we're talking about artificial intelligence and how entrepreneurs like you can use it to stand apart from the competition. Today, let's take a look at virtual assistants. What are they and how are they used? Since 2011, with the introduction of Siri, virtual or digital assistants have become ingrained into our everyday user experience. They're doing more and more for us, and they're popping up wherever we are. Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, and Google Assistant have become our voice-activated helpers for organizing our schedules, searching for information, and handling all sorts of mundane tasks in a more intuitive fashion. So, what is a virtual assistant? They're also called digital assistants or voice assistants, and they're essentially an app or agent that allows you to give commands or ask questions using natural language. You can find one on your smartphone, your desktop, or within a connected speaker. You can call one up in specific apps and services whenever you need it. For example, Google Assistant can now be found on Android devices like the Pixel and the Google Algo Chat app, and is well on the way to iPhones and televisions. One thing to keep in mind, a virtual assistant isn't the same as a chatbot. Chatbots do give you a similar experience, though. Both allow you to use conversation to interact with a virtual agent. However, chatbots usually use text to communicate, not verbal speech. Think of a chatbot as a targeted app of what a virtual assistant can do. Chatbots are getting smarter, but their number one job for a business is still as a virtual agent for a specific brand, app, or service. Chatbots help your customers do things like shop, book travel, get customer support information, complete e-commerce transactions, and submit help desk tickets through that conversational interface. So, if a chatbot is a virtual agent doing a task within a specific task, then you can think of a virtual assistant as the next step when you give the AI free rein within your operating system. Grab the free report below.